Did you know your Firestick has hidden potential that most people never unlock? Well, today I'm revealing a secret code that can transform your Firestick, giving you access to everything. Movies, sports, PPV events, adult content and more. Thousands of my viewers have used my guides to supercharge their Firestick. But what's the secret? Well, it's a hidden code that most people don't even know exists. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills to use it. It works for everyone. So I'm breaking it all down step by step, and by the end of this video, your Firestick will be more powerful than ever. Now here's the catch. There are only 6 steps, but the final one is the most crucial. Miss it and you'll miss out. So let's get started. So like mentioned before, there are only 6 steps to accomplish this. Let's start with step number 1. Head over to your home screen on your Fire TV Stick device and find the search magnifier. Scroll down and click confirm on the search bar. In here, you're going to type in for an application called Downloader. Type in D-O, and you can already see it appearing in the suggestions. Scroll down and click confirm on it. And it's going to be the first application you see with the orange and white. Click confirm, and in this menu, you're going to click confirm one more time. Now it's going to start the downloading and installation process. Just wait patiently. After it's finished installing, you can now press the home button on your remote control and you'll be taken back to the home screen. Now we have to turn on developer options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. All you have to do is find your settings. The easiest way to find settings is heading over to the top right corner on your home screen. This icon right here. Now you want to scroll down until you see My Device or My Fire TV. Click confirm on the remote control, and in here you have a few options. I have developer options. You probably don't if you haven't enabled it yet, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to enable it right now. And you might have noticed that I also have an option called USB drive. That's because I connected a USB stick to my Fire Stick. The top option is called About. Enter it, and in here it says Fire TV Stick 4K Max. For you, it might say something else depending on the Fire TV device you have. That's totally fine. What you want to do now is click confirm on the remote control 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you will become a developer. As you can see, it says for me no need, you are already a developer, but for you it will most likely say congratulations, you are now a developer, and you can press the return button on your remote control and you will now see the developer options appearing. Click confirm to enter it, and the first thing you want to do in here is enable ADB debugging, just by clicking confirm on the remote control. That's that. Now you want to scroll down and enter install unknown apps, and in here we're going to find the downloader application we just installed. Highlight it and click confirm on the remote control, and that's toggled on. Now you can press the home button and you'll be taken back to the home screen. What we're going to do now is find the downloader app. The easiest way to find it is in our apps. And you can find our apps right here, this icon. Click confirm on the remote control and scroll down till the end. That's where you'll always find your recent installed applications. Click confirm to enter it. First time opening up the downloader application, it's gonna pop up this menu. Click confirm to allow and click confirm to hide this message. Now in here, you want to scroll up to the search bar right here. Now click confirm and it's gonna pop up the keyboard. And here is where we're gonna type in a secret code. Now the secret code is gonna be 88376673. Highlight go and click confirm. Now wait patiently for the web page to get loaded up fully. You might get this message popped up. All you have to do is hover over with your remote control to accept right here and click confirm. Now it's going to continue loading up the web page. Now you might need to verify yourself by hovering over here and clicking confirm, but it did this automatically for me. Alright, the web page is fully loaded up. This platform is amazing. You have access to over 300 exclusive applications. So the first thing you want to do when entering this platform is pressing the option button on your remote control. It's going to pop up this menu and you want to scroll down and click confirm on add current page to favorites. Now you don't need to type in that code anymore, and you can easily access this platform just by entering downloader and pressing the option button and going to favorites. There you have it. After that is done, I want you to press the option button again on your remote control and scroll down until you highlight full screen mode. Click confirm, and now you have a super easy user interface. Now scroll down. Now make sure that you have a VPN. If you don't have a VPN, you'll see your IP address right here. It's visible for everyone. That's why it's super important to have a VPN so you're protected. Now if you continue on scrolling down, you'll find search and filters. In here you can select any category you want and you'll only see the apps appearing in that category. So it's made super easy for you to select and find any apps you want. And every app also has its own description. Let me show you. If I, for instance, click on YouTube and scroll down and click confirm on any of these applications that perhaps I'm not familiar with, but I am interested in finding out what it is. After you've selected an application, scroll down and you'll find the description of any application. So it's super nice to have a good explanation before installing anything. Now if you press return on the remote control, you'll be taken back to search and filters. Oh, and you'll always see the apps I use daily right at the top. With these, you won't need anything else. They have it all. Sports, adult content, live streams, and even on-demand content. Now we're at step number 5, which is to install any app you want. But for this demonstration, I'm going to select a secret application. Now let's click on the search bar right here. But remember, after this, we still have one last crucial step to complete. Now when the keyboard is opened up, let's type in a secret code. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's the secret code. Now you want to highlight next and click confirm. Now you want to scroll down until you find the app name ending with 34345. Now it's going to be a bit blurry right here, unfortunately, but just scroll down until you find it. Right here. Now enter it and scroll down and you'll find the download button right here. Click confirm on it and it's gonna pop up the downloading process. Just wait patiently, and once that is done, it's gonna pop this up and you can highlight install and click confirm. Now it's gonna install this application and that's done. And that's how easy it is to install any application you want. Now before you continue to install any application you want, I want to address something super important. Step number 6. Your browsing activity and the apps you use are fully visible to your internet provider, putting your privacy at serious risk. To make sure you don't encounter any issues or receive any letters, you need a reliable VPN like IPVanish. And I'm gonna quickly show you how to get it. And I've chosen IPVanish because it ranks as one of the best VPNs. Plus you can install it on all your devices with no limitations on the number of devices. This is by far my top recommendation when it comes down to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying any of these applications. Now I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is open any browser on your phone, tablet or PC and go to this website. You can also take out your camera and scan the QR code. Additionally, I'll also leave the link in the description. Now on this website, you'll see an exclusive discount. Choose your plan or just try it for 1 month. Complete your purchase and once you do, they'll email you with a confirmation with your username and password. After that, you're ready to secure your Firestick. On your Firestick, go to the home screen, then find the search icon. Scroll down and click on the search bar. And when the keyboard pops up, type in IPVanish. Select the app from the list. In this menu, click download to start the downloading and installation process. Once installed, go to the home screen, click on all apps icon right here, scroll down and find the IPVanish app. Click the menu button on the remote control, select move and place the app all the way to the top. Click confirm. Now open the IPVanish app and log in with your username and password. Now before we hit connect, I want to show you a few settings. Scroll down and select the settings gear. You'll see a menu appear on the other side of your screen. Now I've highlighted where it says connect on Android Startup. If I click the confirm button and turn this on, you won't have to worry about turning on your VPN every time you power up your device. The VPN will connect automatically, so you won't have to interrupt your movie to check if it's on. It'll do it for you. IPVanish also offers split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN. This is perfect for keeping local apps showing local content when needed. It allows you to route some of your apps or network traffic through the VPN, while other local apps access the internet directly without going through the VPN. And here you'll also have easy access to your account information, and you can contact support if you have any questions or concerns. Alright, now hit the return button and select connect. You might see a pop-up asking if you're sure if you want to connect to the VPN. Just click OK, give your system a moment, and once you see your country light up in green, you know you're protected. You also see a timer showing how long you've been connected. Now that that's done, simply click the home button on your remote control. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you safe and secure. Now you can use any of these applications and enjoy unrestricted content while staying anonymous. No more internet provider letters ruining your day. And that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this video has come to an end. Now you've got access to IPVanish and over 300 exclusive applications. Enjoy. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one.